Wheelchair-bound man killed in vehicle collision in Portland. 63-year-old Mason killed at home in front of family. Man shot dead while buying soup in St. James. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A wheelchair-bound man was killed on Monday evening when a Toyota Axio motor car crashed into him along the Orange Bay Main Road in Portland. The deceased has been identified as Michael Cargill of Orange Bay in the parish. More details to come following further investigations. 63-year-old Mason Jerome Ferron was shot and killed while at his home with his family early Monday morning. The incident occurred in the vicinity of Havana Heights in May Pen, Clarendon sometime after 2 a.m. According to police reports, Ferron was at home with his family when a gunman kicked off the front door to the dwelling and shot him in his upper body. The police was alerted and the body was taken to the funeral home in May Pen. A police investigation has been launched into the matter. A man was shot and killed while another was injured while buying soup at the entrance to the church in Anchovy, St. James last weekend. The deceased has been identified as 44-year-old Orlando Jarrett, otherwise called Shane, a mechanic who hails from the adjacent community of Roehampton in the parish. It is reported that about 4:30 p.m. on Saturday, two men were purchasing soup from a popular soup vendor who operates outside the House of Praise in Anchovy when they were pounced upon by armed men traveling in a motor car. The men opened fire, hitting both victims at the soup stall before escaping in the motor car. Jarrett died on the spot, while the other man was rushed to the hospital and admitted in critical condition. It is reported that the men had just attended the funeral service for Albert Reed, another Roehampton resident who was shot and killed by a lone gunman outside Harmony Park in downtown Mobay on Tuesday, February 13. Further investigations are ongoing.